Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today's video is a little different because it's on how to do a 360 entry in Assetto Corsa. So there's 3 steps to a 360 entry, and it is: first you have to manju into it, second is speed, and third is the counter steer. So it's pretty easy, but at the same time not that hard, or it's pretty easy but hard. So like I said, the first step is a manju. If you don't know how to do that, it's literally just go back and forth. My wheel is so loud, I need to get a new one. If you have any tips on how to fix how loud it is, please tell me. So a manju is literally just where you go back and forth. It's a transition, but not into a drift. It's literally like just out of a drift. So like this. And then you go into a drift. So then the next is speed. So I'll pull up the speed that I'm going. This is my favorite place to do a 360 entry. So right now I'm kind of going like 50 miles an hour, and then I start it. So like, you don't want to be going too fast because it's super hard to do a manju, especially in an AE86. It's a pretty low powered car. And then counter steer. So how to do it is, so you come this way. I actually just do it in a second. So a manju here, so I'm going this way, and then right here I would start it. Right here, as you can see on my wheel, it is sideways. So when you're like that, your wheel is pointing this way. If you stay that way, you won't finish the 360. It has to be turned this way, but it'll more be like when you're right here. Because if you follow where my wheel is going, it's going to go around and back to be going straight. So what you're wanting to do is turn this way. When you're more than 180 degrees, fully counter steer the other way, and then you'll hopefully be doing the 360. And a good way to practice this is to not try to do a 360 entry and just practice 360s. So I could go like this, and then 360. And that one I kind of messed up, so you'd keep practicing until you get it perfectly straight and until you get a really good one. After you keep practicing, the speed, the counter steer, and the manju, it should end up to look something like this. So you come that way, switch into second, and then go like that. Another thing you want to do is make sure to hold clutch in. If you don't have a clutch, you could still do it, but it is a lot harder. Hold the clutch in the whole way you're doing it. So my easiest way to start a manju is a clutch kick, and most people for other people. So when you do the clutch kick, and then you're about to do 360 entry, hold the clutch in all the way until you're done. All the way until you clutch kick into the turn for the entry. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please comment down below. I'll answer all your questions. And on that note, bye. Make sure to subscribe.